Importing a 3D model. This tutorial shows how you can quickly import a 3D model from SketchUp, and use Lumion to turn a model into an attractive presentation in a few minutes. We start by loading a SketchUp project. This model was downloaded from Google Warehouse, but you can use any model you want. Click the File menu at the top left. Select Export. Select 3D model. This saves the SketchUp model as a collada file. When SketchUp is finished saving the collada file, start Lumion. Load an empty new project. Click the Import button on the left. Click the big button with a plus sign to start importing the model we just saved. Before you import, you have to enter an unique name for your model. Click the OK button to import the model. The model you just imported is added to your personal object library. Click anywhere in the 3D view to place your model. You can move, delete, or edit objects from your own import library just like the models in the Lumion object library. Click the big Move Mode button to move the object up. Click the Landscape button on the left. Click Water. Click anywhere in the 3D view to add water. You can move the edges of the water plane to position the water anywhere you want. Let's put some water in the swimming pool. Go back to the Import section by clicking the Import button on the left. Click the Palette button to start editing materials. Click on the model to start creating materials for the model. In Material mode, click the plus sign to add a new material. Click on the 3D model to indicate which material you would like to replace. Click the water material to apply the water material to the model. Click OK to finish editing materials. Let's add some more materials. Click the palette button again and click on the model. Click on the plus sign, and click on the windows, to define a new material for the windows. There are many materials to choose from. Select the material that has a glass icon. Now we will change another material. Click the plus sign to define a new material. Click the wooden boarding. Select one of the wood flooring materials. Click OK to finish adding materials. Click the Big Objects button on the left to start adding some objects. Click the Transportation category. Click Boats. Select the sailboat. Click in the 3D view to add the sailboat. Place the sailboat in the water. Click the People category to start adding a character to the scene. Select Pets, and then select the cat. Click anywhere in the 3D view to add the cat. Click the thumbnail of the cat to select a bird. You can click anywhere in the 3D scene to place a seagull. You can even place a seagull on top of the mast of the boat. Let's put someone on the balcony of the house. Click the thumbnail of the seagull. Click the Women category. Select one of the women. Click anywhere on the 3D model to place the new object. Click the big Move button to alter the orientation of the woman. Click the big weather button on the left to alter the lighting. Use the sundial controls to get the lighting you want. Move back the camera to get to the final shot. Click the camera icon on the right to save an image file to your desktop. Click the second button to save a bitmap file. Lumion now saves a high-quality image to your desktop. Congratulations, you now know everything to create images by importing a 3D model into Lumion.